In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital seller account on Etsy in 2025. Let's dive straight in and get you on your way to becoming an Etsy seller. The first step is to open your favorite web browser and head over to etsy.com/sell. Here, you'll find all the essential information about becoming a seller, but for now, let's focus on setting up your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll spot the register button. Give that a click to begin the registration process. Once you've opened the registration page, you'll be prompted to enter an email address that you'd like to use for your Etsy account. Make sure it's an email you frequently use, as Etsy will send you important notifications and updates related to your shop. But if you prefer, Etsy offers the flexibility to sign in using some of your other accounts. This can sometimes streamline the process if you're already logged in elsewhere. Next up, you'll need to fill out your name. Use your real name here. This will be vital for establishing trust with your future customers. Helping them to know who you are can create a more personal and relatable shopping experience. Then, it's time to create a password. Make sure it's strong and secure, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. You'll want your Etsy account to remain safe, and utilizing a robust password is your first line of defense. Once you have all your information entered, double check for accuracy to avoid any issues down the line. With all those details filled out, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the next stage where you commence registering your shop and setting it up. Keep in mind, this is where the fun begins. Choosing a shop name, listing your products, and sharing your digital creations with the Etsy community. Taking your time in this early setup phase can really pay off, so don't rush through it. Remember, creating your Etsy seller account is not just about entering information. It's the beginning of your adventure into the world of online selling. Keep an open mind as you explore the various features Etsy provides you, whether it's their helpful seller guides, promotional tools, or community forums where you can connect with fellow sellers for advice and support. We hope you found these steps easy to follow and feel ready to embark on your Etsy selling journey. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult Etsy's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see your shop flourish in the Etsy marketplace.